Here I have TCL 10 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to bypass screen lock on this device if you set your PIN, password or pattern and you forgot it. What you have to do is to turn your device off firstly by holding power key, and after it turns off completely, what you have to do is to hold down combination power key and volume up for a few seconds like this. And after the screen turns on and TCL logo appears, you can release power key and keep holding volume up, just like this. In this menu, you have to use volume keys to navigate. Navigate to the 6th option, wipe data factory reset, and then select it with power key. And then confirm it by selecting option factory data reset. After the message data wipe complete appears, you can select first option reboot system now to restart your device. It will be restarted in about a minute. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.